So welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today we're going to take a look at S Walsh and Sons, who are situated in Ferry Lane, Rainham, in an R13 postcode. And Ferry Lane is maintained at public expense, so we're on public land whilst filming. Now, Google says that S Walsh and Sons are construction material wholesalers, whereas the website says Walsh is London's leading provider of bulk freight solutions by road, river and rail, plus waste management and groundwork services. So that's probably where the construction materials come from, and I believe that inside there's lots of different aggregates as well. Now, they was founded in 1972. They have a strong track record of supporting main contractors to deliver major infrastructure projects on time and within budget. Since 2017, Walsh have been a part of the GRS Group, Britain's nationwide trader and transporter of construction aggregates, building products and waste materials. Now, the company was incorporated on the 5th of May 1972, and the registered office is based in Nuneaton, but the principal place of business is here at Ferry Lane. Now, the current directors are Jonathan Fisher, Joseph Gifford and Martin Reid, and the company has 4 outstanding charges, and I'll link details in the description. Now, looking at their latest filed accounts, and I'll put a copy of those in the description as well, so you can have a look at those. They actually show a £40 million loss after they pay tax of 5.8 million. Now, the balance sheet doesn't show show the company in a very favourable position either, in that their assets do not cover their liabilities. So, note 2 on page 20 of the accounts is quite an interesting read, and begs the differ as to whether or not the company's actually trading whilst insolvent at the moment. Now, in 2022, one of S Walsh's demolition workers, Mr. Damien Bundock, received a multi-million pound compensation settlement, and I'll stitch in the details here of the story by Grant Pryor of the Construction Inquirer. So let's have a quick look. I don't think we'll be able to see much at ground level, so this is predominantly going to be a drone flight, sort of having a look. So there is one F-off dog just inside that's been going. It's not barking at the moment, but it has been going mad, so I'm not going to get too close, even though I'm a dog lover. I'm not a great lover of that dog. So as you can see, sort of inside, I've seen a few lorries go in and out. It's a site safety sign there, so just reading on that. So maximum speed limit on the site is 10 miles an hour, no access to unauthorised personnel, protective footwear must be worn, high visibility jackets must be worn, caution site traffic, CCTV in operation, and vehicles and contents are left entirely at the owner's risk. So they've got a visitor's bit there, but there is a one F-off dog walking about in there, or at least barking in there. So you can see some lorries parked up at the back. So this is predominantly going to be, I'll just try and get up as far as I can so see in without disturbing that dog. So yeah, got those diggers and stuff there. A couple of cars parked, visitors, staff car parking. All visitors report to weighbridge, use approved walkways and crossing points. But I'm not going to go inside, as it does say no access to unauthorised personnel, so I'm not even going to attempt to go in. I think the boundary line is that changing concrete just there, changing colour. So you've got the tarmac is all the same of Ferry Lane here, and then you've got to change the colour in the tarmac there, which quite often indicates change of ownership of land. So there's been a few lorries coming in and out, so I might see some of those, but I'm going to go back over there, get the drone out and have a look what it looks like from above. It is quite windy. On the last video I did have a high wind warning, so I might go down the other end there. I think I'll go further down the other side, yeah, because the wind is picking up. So I'll see you guys in a minute.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So you can see we're right on the River Thames here, so there's lots of few trailers there. So I think the aggregates are all down this side, so it's going to look at the aggregates. Interesting. So I'm only at 45 metres because I did get a flight warning, high wind warning earlier. So you've got all the aggregates there, machinery. I don't know where the machinery is, I'm not really put up on that sort of stuff. So we're right along the Thames at the moment. So it's a big old yard. I've got no idea what half the machinery is. Let's stretch this right back. So let's make our way back. Sunrise at the moment. Belly down. So that's the S Walsh. That's a big old site. So that's the video of S Walsh and Sons Limited. No issues, no one come out. I don't know if you can hear that mad dog that's barking at the moment, but that's why I didn't go too close to it. I'm a dog lover, but that's got a deep bark. So guys, so that's S Walsh Limited, S Walsh and Sons Limited. You know, are they trading insolvent? The accounts suggest so, but they are being backed up as a going concern by their parent company, and there's notes to that in the accounts as well. So if you, I hope they do continue to go, because it's an old sort of UK company going back from the 1970s. I hope the change of the hopefully there'll be a change in the economic climate, and things sort of improve sort of for them, where sort of prices drop, sort of etc. So if you like that video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, please give it a like, please give it a share, and until the next time, guys, have an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.